How to make Mozilla Firefox default browser in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Mozilla Firefox default browser in Windows 11. It's a very easy process. Let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. On your system, left click on the Windows icon. A menu will appear. Click on Settings. Now in the Settings, on the left side panel click on Apps. A new window will appear. Click on the Default Apps option. Now, in the Default Apps all your apps will appear. For setting Firefox as the default browser, type Firefox in the search box. Then, click on it. Now, from the top right panel, click on the Set Default option. Finally, Firefox set as your default browser. And that's it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.